Are you making these mistakes right now? Because I did when I just started investing 12 years ago. What about you? In this video, I will share with you the top 3 mistakes beginners in the stock market make and how you can avoid it so that you can profit from the stock market consistently. Are you ready? Let's go! Mistake number 1, watching the market too much. As we know that stock price moves ups and down, and this will cause our stock portfolio value to go ups and downs as well. By watching the market frequently, beginner investors will be affected emotionally and will prone to do stupid things to their account. As research has also shown that people tend to trade more often when they watch the market more often. So do not monitor the stock market or stock price. Instead, you should set stock alerts in your investing apps to notify you when your entry price is reached. Mistake number 2, taking profits too early. Beginner investors always have a tendency to sell their winning stocks too quickly so that they can lock in their profits. Usually, they have the experience of their stock went up 20% and they did not manage to sell at that time and the stock price dropped. And they have lost the opportunity to lock their gain. And after that experience, they are so afraid that every time they got a 5 or even 10% gain, they would want to quickly lock in their profits. And the fun fact about this is that beginner investors usually will regret after selling their stocks, as the stock usually will rise in price, maybe 50 or even 100% gain if they hold on to their stocks. To prevent this from happening, you need to have your investing plan ready to know exactly what price to enter and what price to exit. Mistake number 3, selling out of panic. Like it or not, sooner or later, you are going to experience a bear market, which is the falling of prices in the general stock market. The media and environment will give you the impression that the world is ending and you could lose 100% of your investment. At that point, beginner investors panic sell or even dump their existing stocks position in a matter of days.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
But once you do this, you will have locked in your losses and denied yourself the ability to see the recovery of your portfolio when the stock price eventually begin to rise. It is important for you to understand the fact that stock market will rise and fall in the short run, and in the long run, the general stock market will always rise. And do also take note that stock investing is like a marathon, not a 100-meter sprint. To prevent panic selling, always ask yourself what is the main reason of investing in that particular stocks in the first place. By asking these questions will keep your logical mind in place and will definitely help you make a better decision at that moment in time. In conclusion, the top 3 mistakes beginner in the stock market make are watching the market too much, taking profit too early, and selling out of panic. Have you experienced any of these mistakes in your investing journey? Do share with me in the comment section below the mistake you experienced and how you actually overcome it, as I'm really curious to know. Hope you have benefit from this video, and do subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified with all our valuable future content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.